Supporting minority rights and combating discrimination is essential for promoting equality, justice, and inclusivity in society. Here are some ways to support minority rights and work towards ending discrimination. Educate yourself. Take the time to educate yourself about the experiences, challenges, and histories of minority groups, including racial and ethnic minorities, religious minorities, people with disabilities, and others. Listen to their stories, read books, articles, and documentaries, and seek out diverse perspectives to deepen your understanding. Challenge bias and stereotypes. Be aware of your own biases and stereotypes, and actively challenge them. Examine the ways in which stereotypes and prejudice influence your thoughts, attitudes, and behaviors, and strive to confront and overcome them. Advocate for fair and accurate representations of minority groups in media, education, and public discourse. Speak out against discrimination. Speak out against discrimination, prejudice, and bigotry whenever you encounter them. Use your voice to condemn discriminatory behavior, language, or policies, and support those who are targeted by discrimination. Take a stand against hate speech, intolerance, and systemic injustices in your community and beyond. Support minority-owned businesses and organizations. Show support for minority-owned businesses, organizations, and initiatives by patronizing their products and services, volunteering your time, and donating your resources. Amplify the voices and efforts of minority-led initiatives, and advocate for policies that promote diversity, equity, and inclusion in the workplace and marketplace. Advocate for legal protections. Advocate for laws, policies, and regulations that protect the rights and interests of minority groups. Support legislative efforts to combat discrimination, promote equal opportunity, and ensure access to essential services and resources for marginalized communities. Get involved in grassroots organizing, advocacy campaigns, and lobbying efforts to advance minority rights at the local, state, and national levels. Promote diversity and inclusion. Promote diversity and inclusion in your personal and professional spheres by fostering environments that value and celebrate differences. Encourage diversity in hiring, recruitment, and promotion practices, and advocate for inclusive policies and practices that accommodate the needs and perspectives of all individuals. Support social justice organizations. Support social justice organizations and advocacy groups that work to advance minority rights and combat discrimination. Donate your time, money, or resources to organizations that provide legal assistance, advocacy, education, and support services to marginalized communities. Get involved in grassroots movements, protests, and campaigns for social change. Be an ally. Be an ally to minority communities by actively supporting and standing in solidarity with them. Listen to their concerns, amplify their voices, and work collaboratively to address systemic injustices and inequalities. Use your privilege and influence to advocate for meaningful change and create a more inclusive and equitable society for all. By taking these actions and working collectively to support minority rights and combat discrimination, we can create a more just, inclusive, and equitable society where all individuals are valued, respected, and empowered to thrive.